Welcome to Dharmavyapara demo session. This will be the login page for buyer and seller. Let's log in as seller. And this will be the landing page for buyer. We have logged in as Rajesh Farmer. And here you can see he is Mr. Rajesh. He is a farmer with a harvest ready. In traditional markets, he faces price opacity and unknown traders. In Dharmavyapara, he starts with transparency. Here, the transparency first comes with how the traders and then the sellers are actually in the market. Here in Dharmavyapara, traders are sorted and then listed based on the behavioral trust scores. You can see here the behavioral trust scores are honesty, stability, and then language. Let's chat with Ramesh Kumar. Wait. You can see Rajesh Farmer knows only Hindi. So the AI would greet with the lifetime Mandi rates. All these are live Mandi rates, and this will be propagated for Rajesh also in his chat corner. At the same time, seller would have also received a notification. And here seller knows only English. Let's type. You can see the AI would have predicted that the fairness score is really poor because the live Mandi rates are from 21. At the same time, seller would have also received the offer. You can see here whether he can either accept the offer or he can counter offer. You can see AI would have again suggested a model basic rate from the suggested buyer's price. Let's go for 20, and we can see again the buyer, he can either accept the offer or he can reject and continue the chat. Let's reject and continue the chat. मेरा ऑफर 18 रुपया प्रति किलो है. You can see here the buyer knows only Hindi, so the translation would be in Hindi. And the beautiful thing here is he knows only English, and here you can see all the translation in English. So now the linguistic barrier between the buyer and seller has been avoided by this translation layer of Dharmavyapara app. Here 18 is too low. Can we go with 20 rupees? 18 is too low. Let's consider 20 rupees. Let's consider 20 rupees. You can see here this guy would have suggested 18 and he wanted a 20 rupees. At the same time, you can see here, that's beautiful. The barrier translation, that barrier has been removed completely by the translation layer. ठीक है 20 रुपया, ठीक है 20 रुपया फाइनल कर दिया. See how instant and how fast it is. We have agreed for, we just said TK and AI just captured the message and it agreed that they have finally agreed for this 20 rupees and it started to draft a deal. It's really beautiful, right? The price has been captured and the quantity has been captured. Now the seller can create a firm deal. He has to sign and finalize first. And same you can see seller would have signed, accept and sign. That's it. Deal agreed. AI has made this life very easy. The translation barrier, the linguistic barrier has been removed completely by the translation layer. And here comes the beautiful part, the audit trail. You can go and see when the deal has been closed, what was the structure offered initially, and what got agreed at the final. Everything would have been here. And we can go and check the history also. How many times this person has spoken or made a deal with what kind that is for their audit purpose, they can show and they can do it. And the beautiful part of the architecture of this app is it follows two different approach. One is the agentic AI mediation. It doesn't behave like a normal AI chatbot that processes every messages through expensive LLMs. Instead, it implements a state machine driven mediation model. And the next one is a multi-layered multilingual execution. It has a translation layer and then the mediation layer. Translation layer takes care of the translation part. Mediation layer takes care of the AI mediation. And this is how the AI mediation state machine works. A diagram and the multilingual negotiation life cycle, when it has to start, when it has to end, all those beautiful things would have been captured in this. Finally, Dharmavyapara is not just a marketplace, it is an agentic AI ecosystem that removes language barriers, enforces market pricing, and builds a verified graph of trust for Bharat's agricultural future. Thank you. Jai Hind.